Hello, and welcome to the OpenText Privileged Access Manager demonstration video. In this video, you will learn how to securely access an AWS account using just-in-time provisioning with dynamic, short-lived credentials. OpenText Privileged Access Manager supports multiple ways to configure just-in-time across environments. This video focuses specifically on setting up just-in-time access for an AWS account using dynamic credentials. The just-in-time provisioning is a security approach that generates and assigns time-bound access to privileged resources and automatically removes it when the policy-defined time to live, that is TTL value, expires. Instead of maintaining long-standing privileges, users receive temporary, purpose-specific access that automatically expires after the defined time frame. Administrator can also revoke permissions early if risk is detected. This minimizes unnecessary permissions, limits opportunities for unauthorized access, and provides full auditability. Also, it reduces the risk of privilege account abuse. In this video, you will learn brief overview of configuring the just-in-time elevation, how to authenticate to AWS account using the dynamic credentials obtained from OpenText Privileged Access Manager. Let us understand how just-in-time provisioning works. Administrator configures just-in-time policy, grants time-bound access to users, session is monitored, access expires, and permissions are automatically revoked or can be manually revoked by the administrator. Before we set up just-in-time, user Paul Jones cannot view AWS credentials in the access page. Complete this prerequisite before starting the configuration. Add a password policy with minimum 14 characters and accepted special characters. Add an AWS resource. Add dynamic credential template. Create policy and add the user group to which Paul Jones is associated with. Time configuration is complete, the end user, Paul Jones, logs into the OpenText Privileged Access Manager and views the AWS resource. Paul then clicks the Read Credentials icon to retrieve the username and the password for just-in-time access. Users must make a note of AWS login credentials before closing the Read Credentials window. The credentials can be retrieved one time during the just-in-time session. Once logged into AWS, Paul can perform the required tasks. When the TTL expires, the session is deprovisioned automatically. If the user tries to navigate, they get logged out and see a logout message. Administrator can revoke the permissions when necessary. For configuration documentation, refer to the links in the description. Thank you.